You don't need another programming course. You need to write code. You're watching yet another build a to-do app in React tutorial, but you've already watched 5. You didn't finish a single one. You've never deployed anything. Watching someone else code doesn't teach you how to think. It's like watching workout videos and wondering why you're still out of shape. You know how I learned what pass by reference means? I broke something, returned an object from a function, mutated it somewhere else, and nothing worked. I Googled for an hour, fixed it, and I never forgot it. I read 3 blog posts on async and await. Didn't retain a thing. But when I forgot to await a call in production, and the UI froze, and I spent half a day debugging, yeah, that's stuck. You're switching from JavaScript to Python to Rust to Go like the language is the problem. It's not. You just won't commit. You keep thinking there's a perfect language that will make things easier. There isn't. They're all hard. Until you get good. Pick one. JavaScript? Fine. React? Great. Build something. Make a CRUD app. If you don't know how, Google it. No backend? Use local storage. Need auth? Use Firebase. Struggling through it is how you learn, not watching someone else do it perfectly. You're getting ready, but real devs don't wait until they're ready. They build, they break things, they fix them, and repeat. You think devs at Google sat through 100 tutorials before their first commit? No. They learn by doing. You don't need a new Notion setup. You don't need another roadmap. You don't need to ask ChatGPT how to become a developer in 2025. Here's how. Build something real. Not another abandoned to-do app, not Hello World in 8 languages. Build something that solves a real problem. Track your gym sessions. Make a simple finance tracker. Build a site that sends daily quotes to your friends. Make it work. Make it ugly. Fix it. Ship it. You want to be a developer? Act like one. Write code. Google errors. Break your repo. Cry over bugs. Celebrate when it works at 2 a.m. That's the job. Not perfect syntax. Not knowing every method. Just stacking small wins. One build at a time. The best devs, they still Google everything. They don't know it all. They've just built more. You're not behind. You're just not building. Fix that. Close this, open your editor, and get stuck. That's how you get good.